Okay, I didn't show everything that we should show in this, but I want to show you now that Tsunami 2 is mounted. And what we did is we made a transparent platform to work on. So, and then because it wasn't quite long enough, we notched a little bit. We notched a little bit right there. We notched it a little bit so it fit. Then we gooped it. We used goop. All right. Why do we use goop? Because if we make a mistake, we can undo it. So we gooped it, and we gooped this guy on here. And at the same time, let's go down and look. Maybe we can see. All right, you see the blue and yellow? All right, the yellow being the light color ends up being up on the positive, which is right there. Okay, and then the blue color goes right there on that guy. All right, and they're not going to get in the way of the motor at all. And we didn't do holes or anything this time in our platforms. We did it just straight up platform. We didn't even engrave anything. Normally we engrave the name or something. But here we are. Okay, so what we have is this guy here, and one of you rightly pointed out that this is an Athearn RTR. All right, what we need to do now is take these two speakers, wire them in series, take them over to the audio station. Here are the two wires for that. We take them over to the audio station and test to see if we got them wired correctly. And these guys came with their own speaker box. They should be pretty good to go. And that is where we're at.